Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is about my Amway shopping haul for this month. Dan and I are huge fans of Amway and we've been buying Amway products for the last 20 years. Someone or the other in my family have always been Amway distributors, and recently after marriage, Dan and I joined Amway as customers and we've been buying products from them regularly for our personal needs, for household needs and for our nutrition and health. We always get amazing offers from Amway, gifts and compliments, and since this is Diwali month, we got a very beautiful Borosil set from them, and that's why I decided to record this unboxing and shopping haul video for you guys. Even though some of you might feel that it's a little bit costlier than normal products, I'm telling you guys that the quality is first class and it's completely worth the buy. So let's get into the video. The first product that I ordered are lipsticks. I ordered two lipsticks, one in matte and one in creamy texture. I'll give a detailed wear on review of both these lipsticks by the end of this video. The next product is this Glister Herbals toothpaste. This is actually a bundle, guys. If you buy one large toothpaste, you get these two small toothpaste packs for almost free of cost. And this is the toothpaste that we've been using for almost 3 years now. We never change this brand because we are totally in love with this. This contains micro beads with essential oils which whitens teeth, removes plaque, fights cavities and also freshens our breath. This paste contains 11 Ayurvedic herbal ingredients which are known for their benefits like spearmint, clove, basil, tea tree, camphor, eucalyptus, ginger, peppermint, mullathi, lemon, neem, etc. We found a clear difference in our dental health after we started using this, and trust me guys, this one pack lasts for about 2 to 3 months for a single person. So Dan always carries only one big tube and one smaller tube for his sailing, and it's perfect for him and it lasts for 6 whole months even if he brushes more than once a day. I'm sure other brands don't last even for 2 months. The total weight of this product is 190 grams and the MRP is 295 rupees, but you get this at a discounted price of 265 rupees. The paste is so thick and just a tad bit is enough for a single use. You can see the microbeads yourself. This is available in singles as well, but this time I bought a bundle pack which has these two cute smaller packs available along with the 190 grams. Each of these smaller packs is 40 grams. So the actual rate of these two minis is 137 rupees, which you're getting it for a mere 20 rupees. This is a superb offer and you can save a lot of money on this. The price of this Glister multi-action toothpaste is actually 65 rupees and you get this for a flat rate of 9 rupees when you buy it as a single bundle. The price of the mini Glister Herbals is 72 rupees and you get this for a flat rate of 12 rupees. The next product is my most favorite Satnic Hair Fall Control Shampoo. I'm a regular user of this shampoo, so I always buy it in bulk and keep stock of it. Each shampoo is for 460 rupees and you get a 20 rupees discount on this. This shampoo is formulated with US patented Energy complex blended with mulberry leaf and ginseng extracts, which helps to control hair fall due to breakage for fuller, thicker looking hair. I have used this shampoo on colored hair as well and it suits me perfectly. The next product is the Amway Home LOC Concentrated Multi-Purpose Cleaner. This has a BioQuest formula which delivers powerful cleaning performance and is concentrated, biodegradable and dermatologist tested. This product is so versatile guys, it can be used on any kind of washable surface. This is economical and this can be diluted to make 167 liters of cleaning solution. For every 1 liter of cleaning solution that you buy from the shop, you will be spending close to 100 bucks, but this product comes for an MRP price of 494 rupees. And you can make more than 150 liters of cleaning solution just using this bottle. Just imagine how much of money you're saving on this guys. The MRP of this product is 495 rupees. Again, you are getting this at a discounted price of 475 rupees. I feel this is completely worth the buy since it lasts for more than a year for me And since this is a multi-purpose solution which can be used on woodwork, walls, appliances, worktops, for delicate fabrics, etc., I need not buy any other solution. Also, this contains no phosphates, harsh acids, alkalis, dyes or chlorine bleach. The next item is the men's favorite, which is the Dynamite deodorant, which is also dermatologically tested and very safe on skin. They have more than 5 fragrances available in Dynamite deodorants, and they keep experimenting and releasing new fragrances, and each and every fragrance become a super duper hit. If you don't order them immediately, they are sure to run out of stock. When you walk into an Amway store, they have test trial packs for all the fragrances, all the makeup products, and basically all the personal care products, so that you can actually try them and then place your order. This fragrance is for 285 rupees and it comes for a discounted price of 256 rupees. One bottle, no matter how much you use per day, lasts for a minimum of 1.5 months, guys. The smell is so long lasting for an entire day and you don't have to keep reusing it. Whoever has used this will definitely keep on buying this deodorant because this is so cost effective when compared to other gas filled deodorants that are available in the market. And the next fragrance that we are looking at is the Amway Dynamite Viking. This is a new launch for this month and I badly wanted to try this, so I placed an order on this as well. This is again for the same cost. And this is a family favorite which we always order. This is Dynamite Phoenix and it smells so good, it smells so manly. From Danton to my grandpa, everyone uses this in my family. Next, we'll have a look at the nutritional supplements that I got. We all know that Nutralite range is a completely organic range and we depend on Nutralite for our daily nutritional value. The price of this product is 2,148 and it contains 120 tablets for 4 months. One tablet is enough for a day and it really keeps us going during our tough, stressful days. These are multi-mineral and multivitamin nutraceutical tablets. This contains no artificial colors, flavors or preservatives. This is just a nutritional supplement and this is suitable for adults of any age. Almost everybody in my family has taken this at some point or the other and they have really felt the difference in their energy levels, skin and hair texture, and it also controls hair fall to some extent. Adults who are over 30 years of age are definitely prone to different kinds of weaknesses and taking a multivitamin and multimineral tablet on a daily basis is sure to help their overall health. The next supplement is a very important herbal supplement for those who are suffering from digestion problems. This is a favorite for both my aunt and mom and it helps their digestion to a great extent and they've been taking this regularly for a few years now. This is Nutralite Herbal Range Amalaki, Vibhitaki and Haritaki. This contains 16 nutraceutical tablets. Each of these tablets are made from herbs that are DNA fingerprinted. One tablet a day is good enough and this one bottle will last for 6 months. These tablets are 100% organic herbal tablets with no side effects. Amway offers the best of nature, best of science and best of traditional wisdom in their herbal range and they have 4 different combinations of herbal tablets. They are Ashwagandha, Amalaki, Vibhitaki and Haritaki, Brahmi and Tulasi. All these are known to support immunity and any normal adult can consume this without any fear of side effects. If you would like to know about all the supplements that Dan and I usually take, do mention it in the comment section. I would make a separate video on which supplement is used for which health concern and why we are taking it. The next supplement is from the Kids range. It's the Nutralite Kids Drink in natural chocolate flavor, which is a balanced nutritional product in the nutraceutical department. It comes with a free scoop and you can give up to 2 scoops a day along with milk or water. You can also add this powder to the child's chapati, rice, gravies or whatever they are fond of. So this is such a versatile product. If your child is not used to drinking milk and you're not able to add this powder to their milk, no problem at all. You can add this to any kind of food item that they like. And this powder is really fine and dissolves very quickly and tastes great. Many of us are stuck to the same brands of chocolate powders that are available in the market, but there is a very high risk of addition of chalk powder in those products. Nutralite products are made from ingredients that are grown on 6,000 acres of certified organic farmland in the US, Mexico and Brazil. The farmlands are dedicated to sustainable farming and only the best of the ingredients are sourced from the best of the countries to make these organic products. Not all ingredients can be organically grown in India due to the weather conditions. So, when we speak of organic, it is important that we welcome the ingredients that are sourced from other countries as well. Coming back to the lipsticks, let me show you the application and a short review of the lipsticks. So, I got the matte lipstick in the shade Brick Coral and the price of the product is 350 rupees after discount. This lipstick is specially formulated to provide high color payoff and uniform coverage in a matte texture. This is perfect for office wear, college wear, or even for a walk outside. This falls under the nude shades category but is not pinkish. This is kind of orangish and it gives your lips the natural glow. Since this is a matte lipstick, this is not really bright and it does not grab attention at all, so you can wear it anywhere with confidence. Next, let's check out the cream lipstick, guys. I got the cream lipstick in the shade Blush Nude. The packaging is so good, both the sides it's sealed and it did not cause any damage during the travel. Attitude Cream Lipstick is specially formulated to provide high coverage in a creamy and smooth texture. It delivers a rich and vibrant color instantly to make your lips look fuller. The MRP of this product is 299 rupees and after discount you get this for 256 rupees, which is a great deal. This color also falls under the nude palette, but since this is a blush shade, the color has a rosy undertone. This color is attractive but it does not grab so much of attention. So again, this is best suited for office wear or college wear. You can see a good difference between the matte texture and the creamy texture and also a good difference in the color as well. These days when lipsticks are being sold for 600 and 700 bucks, I feel these lipsticks come for a very reasonable price of 256 rupees and 350 rupees. Let's check out the application and the output of the product. I first started applying the matte lipstick. So since this is a matte lipstick, if you have dry lips, you need to apply a lip balm before applying the lipstick. I have dry lips and I forgot to apply the lip balm, so it was a little difficult for me to spread the lipstick evenly. But the creamy lipstick was a big hit for me and it is best suitable for dry lips, guys. If you have normal or plump lips, then both the matte and the creamy lipstick would be awesome on you. Here comes the ultimate Diwali gift that I got for buying all these products. I did not buy these products for the free gift. Anyways, we've been using these products for a long time and I will be placing order for all these products. But since I'm getting this as a compliment, I ordered a few extra products like extra bottles of shampoo and extra herbal tablets so that I can stock up on them and also receive the compliment. The total bill amount is 10,760 and for every bill amount of 10,000 rupees, they give you this Borosil casserole set free of cost. One thing that I love about Amway is they never give you cheap compliments. All the gifts, all the compliments, all the discounts that they give you are so genuine and of the highest quality. I have received water kettles, bread toaster, 36-piece dinner set and so much more as compliments whenever I purchase from Amway. They also give air fryers, microwave oven, cooking set and so much more of the highest quality when you make bigger purchases. So as you can see, this Borosil casserole set has 3 beautiful glass casseroles. One is of 700 ml capacity, another one is of 1 liter capacity and another one is of 1.5 liter capacity. These casseroles are microwavable, dishwasher safe and also freezer safe. Since these casseroles have a transparent body, it can be used for storage purposes as well. These are very easy to clean and maintain. I need not tell you guys about the Borosil quality. These would last for years and I'm so happy that I got a very good high quality compliment product along with all my Amway products which I already love. The cost of this casserole set is around 1,750 rupees. Hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing and shopping haul video. If you would like to buy any of these products, Amway distributor number is given in the description box. You can check it out, or if you just need a consultation for healthcare, nutrition, personal care, or even for your home needs, you can feel free to contact them. See you again in another useful and informative video. Until then, this is Fatima signing off. Take care. Bye bye.